I see it and I realize that the damage is done and it's obvious. We can never go back to the way it was. We're drifting apart and it's killing us. It's killing us.
There was a time you'd scream my name. It used to be my getaway. Now all we do is just complain. Maybe I'm the one to blame,
but the damage is done and it's obvious. We can never go back to the way it was. We're drifting apart and it's killing us. It's killing us.
we'll never